Well, first of all, as a dentist, I want something that's very easy for the patient to use, something that the patient gets a good experience with. I want to have less clinical time in the surgery for myself, something that's predictable. So when I take the records for a patient, they're easy to upload into the TrioClear portal. It doesn't take me a lot of time, it's very predictable. There's excellent communication with the lab. So once that's submitted, we get an immediate response saying the records are there. There's a check on the quality of the records, or photographs, or radiographs, and all the intraoral scan. So if there's an issue, it's raised up really quickly, which means there's less of a delay in getting the treatment plan back to the patient. So when we go to fit that, the first aligner, the advantage over a lot of systems is that most other systems have a one thickness of the aligner. That first introduction to the patient is very gentle because we use a soft aligner which is thinner. The advantage is that it's easy to get in and out. It doesn't affect the patient's speech as much. There's not as much saliva because it's thinner in their mouth as well. On my side, it's very predictable, so it means I can be accurate in the time that I'm given for that fit appointment. The templates for the attachments are very good. The IPR is nicely staged in that we distribute that IPR at different stages throughout the treatment. And the patient always has just a positive experience. So much for me that it was a liner system that I chose because of the experience that I see that patients have as well. The app's been very useful. We're spending more and more of our time actually working outside our clinics. So it means I don't have to be in the surgery to access a PC to sort of have the patient records. With the app, I can visualize the plans and getting notifications if the plan is being designed, if there's a query with it, and I've got that constant communication throughout the treatment, both with the lab and with the patient. So it avoids delays in the patient's treatment as well. Means that communication, the patient can send me the photographs using their own phone, which will reduce the number of the inconvenience of the number of appointments that they need to check the retainers. It also reduces my clinical time as well, which just makes things more efficient for me and more efficient for the patient. And we've mentioned about cost, and that's very important. The less expense that we have, it means we can price our treatments that's more affordable to more patients, and more patients can enjoy this experience of getting the smile that they want.